In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the headlight assemblies on this Volkswagen Jetta wagon. These are going to be located in the front of your vehicle. Let's get into it. We're going to take these screws out up top. Use a T25 socket. Take these out. Now underneath the grill, just going to reach in here, pull it out. It's just clipped in. Just kind of fold it down a little bit to release the clips. Might be a little stuck. Just pull it out. You can see those are the clips. It's just clipped in. Pull that out. I'm going to remove the screws, use a T25 socket. Take that out, and you want to do the same on the other side. Using a T25 socket, we're going to take these screws out. Those are out. Now on the inner fender wells, we're going to take these screws out. You can just push the tire to the side a little bit. Take these screws out. Same T25 socket. And then there's one going up, right near the bumper. Take that out. Grab the bumper. Just pull that out. You're going to do the same on the other side. Now reach in here where the turn signal is. You're going to have to grab the socket and pull that out. It just pulls out. Do that on both sides. And if your vehicle has fog lights, when you pull this out a little more, you're going to want to disconnect those. This vehicle does not, and it comes right off. We're going to remove these screws, use a T30 socket. Take those out. And down below, use the same T30 socket, take this screw out. Then you're going to reach down, there's a connector right here. I'm just going to use a straight blade screwdriver just to release the lock tab. You could use a pick. Disconnect the connector. Grab the headlight assembly and just slide it forward. Comes right out. Now we're going to take the lights out. Most of the time the bulbs that come with the lights are temporary bulbs or just test bulbs. So you want to change those with the original ones. Just grab in here after you pop that cover off. There's the bulb. And you want to just pop this off. You want to make sure you wear gloves and don't touch the bulbs themselves. Just pull that out just like that. This bulb is a H7 bulb. You just want to line that up. Push that back in. I'll take that. It's going to slide in. That lines up. You just twist it to the right slightly. Take the cap and just push it on. That's for the running light. And now the turn signal bulb, just take this cap off, grab the socket, twist it to the left. I'm going to pull that out. And right here, there's a little button. Just push on that button, grab the socket and the bulb. It comes off together. This is a GF40 amber bulb. You want to line that up, lock that in place. It's going to go in the same way it came out and twist to the right, put the cap on. Now for the high beams, take this cap off. Grab the little card in there, twist it to the left, comes right out. This is a H15 bulb. And we're gonna slide that in, same way it came out. Twist it to the right, lock it in place, take the cover, and put the cover on. On the back, you can see where the adjusters are for adjusting the headlights. You can use a Phillips head screwdriver or even a hex socket. Now I'll install the headlight. While you're pushing this in, you can grab on the back side and get the connector and get that lined up. There we go. Take the connector, connect the connector, lock it in place. Now take these bolts, get these started. And down below. And we'll tighten these down. Snug those down. And it would be the same process for the other side. I'm going to take the bumper cover, get this lined up. And take the marker bulbs and socket, get those lined up on the side, push those down, do the same to the other side. And just push the bumper in, just clips in place. That's good. Now take the screws, get these started, tighten these down. And all of these. Snug those down, do the same on the other side. And take these screws, get these started. Get those lined up. And I'll snug these down. And do the same on the other side. I'm going to put these screws in. Snug those down on both sides. Slide the grill in place, just underneath. It's going to snap in. That lines up. All right, that's good. Now take the screws and snug these down. Now we're going to get the vehicle ready to aim the headlights. Start with the tire pressure, making sure all 4 tires are set at the appropriate pressure. Remove any excessive weight that's not normally in the vehicle. Find a wall that you can drive up to where the ground is level. Measure 25 feet away from that wall and mark the ground. Drive your vehicle up to that mark. With the headlights off, look for the center dot in the headlight lens. Measure from the ground to that center dot. You can use a ruler to help you out. Transferring that measurement to the wall, making a mark with some tape. On the driver's side, measure down 4 inches, putting another piece of tape. For the passenger side, you only need to measure down 2 inches. Now turning the headlights on, it is easier to do this at night or in a dark area. Locating your headlight adjuster and using a Phillips head screwdriver, turn your adjuster one way or another to bring the headlight up or down. Once the headlight is adjusted to the tape mark on the wall, move on to the next headlight. If you're confused because the beams seem to blend together, you can always have someone stand in front of the other headlight while you make your adjustments for that one. Now your headlights are aligned and you're all set to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.